Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing to the unboxing, or my unboxing, for my items from the first week of the Supreme Fall Winter 21 season. Now the delivery and the shipping on these in general was a little bit all over the place. I only had an email for shop order, that was it, then it arrived. No shipping email, no anything else. So as per norm, if anything like that happens to you, or if you haven't had a shipping email yet, just don't worry, because it will appear at some point in time. So yeah, but without further ado, we're just going to get straight into this. As per norm though, let me know down below whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling whatever you picked up from week one, and yeah, whether or not you've got your shipping, whether or not it's arrived, or whether or not nothing has happened with it yet. So yeah, this video should be going out by about the time that I normally upload a live cop, because obviously Supreme is delayed by a week in the end after week one. So yeah, we're just going to get straight into things anyway. Okay, so obviously I have to include a couple of other items along the way, just to, well, why not? Because having just two things, it doesn't really add up to much. So we've got three extra items that are of the exact same caliber that have sat around, yeah, for a long duration of time by this point, longer than most things actually end up sitting around. But yeah, I'm hopeful to see what they're like in hand. It's nothing extravagant or amazing, but yeah, let's just crack them open. So obviously all three are from Nike or Nike, and yeah, like I said, they've just sat around. But yeah, they've sat around for a little bit of time. There's no real reason as to why they have. I've destroyed that. As to why they have, it's just that they have in the end. So the first is, I don't know which colorway this is, but it's coated in something. So obviously these are the Power socks. This is the USA colorway in the end. I think that they're really cool as an overall, but I'm just missing one of the colorways that I was truly after. But yeah, this is USA. They've got embroidered Nike SB, which is actually quite cool. And yeah, I'm sort of stacking up on like Nike socks currently for some reason, but let's open the next one. Next colorway is obviously going to be the Brazil colorway, exact same thing, Nike SB, and yeah, the socks, same Brazil and everything down the side. Again, another cool colorway, but it wasn't really one of the ones that I was truly after. Like there's a specific colorway, or specific two. These are really poor bags. Specific two colorways that I truly wanted. I only ended up hitting one of them, and this is going to be one of those colorways, being the Japan colorway or Japan pair. Now, yeah, I really wanted the France, or like the Paris, it's France in the end, colorway, because that was actually a decent one as an overall. I thought that just everything about it was great, but I just couldn't hit it. But yeah, I'm just very disappointed anyway, because I ended up with 3 pairs of socks and no jerseys, no hats, no like tracksuits or anything, or just anything amazing from the collection. I ended up with none. So yeah, anyway, that is going to cover that, but it's just socks. I've got so many socks anyway, they're really just useless for me to have. I think I've now got 5 pairs of like Nike socks that are in that way, so yeah. Moving on to the Supreme package, which as you can see is absolutely massive. Now, let's go through the standard estimations. So you've got 3 different options here. We have sticker pack arrives safe and sound and has everything I want. We get the box logo, we get everything, it's all included, it's great. Option B, we don't get the sticker pack, there's still some stickers in there, they're still okay to a degree. Or option C, we get stickers, but they've been put in a poor way, and some of them are bent or folded, making them not too great for the collection. Pick your option, I suppose. So let's just get straight into this. It should be just nice and simple, hopefully. Okay, let's take a look then, or take a gander, I suppose. Sticker pack is to the left. You can see it. My phone's just gone off. Right, sticker pack. I'm genuinely more interested in the sticker pack. What do we have? So we've got Rick Rubin, Shrek with a little bit of a bend to him. Is that how he's meant to be? And so yeah, Shrek, Rick Rubin, and standard box logo sticker. To be honest, it's probably the better sticker pack. I just wish that this was the transparent box logo sticker. But yeah, I might just sit them to get them like flat. But yeah, I'll take that. So, rest of this, right. First and foremost, we've got the Hanes boxer briefs. Pink colorway. Yeah, very standard and simple. If you don't know Hanes sizing, what it says on the back, do not trust in any way for any of their sizing. What you see there, don't trust that, because although they might say, you know, small is going to be 28 to 30, mediums 32, 34, large is 36, 38, and then you're 40, 42. Disregard that by any means, because if you wear large in general, a medium is going to fit you with ease in this, and maybe even a small up to like a certain degree you might be fine with, well, ish, dependent, but yeah. Anyway, that is that out of the way. Let's just get the main item, which is actually a lot more packaged than I thought, as you can see. So these are going to be the swing top bottles. As you can see, they've actually got their own box and everything for that, and it's got all the details and things for that. Wash before use, do not microwave, and not for the dishwasher. Who would microwave it? Right, let's crack these out anyway, if I can. So compared to the jars, because I was expecting this to be very close or very similar to the jars that I bought a little bit ago. Obviously I no longer have them, but that's the reason why I wanted to go for these, was purely because the jars did well and people wanted them in the end. So I would have thought that if the jars did well, then massive bottles like these would probably be sought after, realistically. So yeah, this is what they look like. I mean, fair enough, at the end of the day. You've got Supreme, so yeah. And then obviously I'm guessing it says a litre. But yeah, that's what they're like. Both the bottles are exactly the same in that manner of speaking. That's it. So yeah, there's nothing really crazy or insane to them or anything like that. But I mean, at least they've stepped up. Instead of just a blank white box, at least they've stepped up something about it in the end. So yeah, but anyway, there's nothing really over the top or special about this unboxing. We've got some boxes, some socks, and some bottles. So take it with a grain of salt or a pinch of salt in the end. You get what you get. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, comment down below, like I said, if your items have arrived, what you got, whether your things came safe, you know, or damaged, and yeah, and what stickers you got. I really wanted that transparent one. I thought there was a black box logo, but I think it's just the transparent one and someone's put it over something. So yeah, I was literally just packing up and then I thought, what's that in the corner? Oh, it's the playing cards. Look at the size of this. Why does it look like it's better quality than the ones that I actually bought from them? But look, like, how are you meant to play with these? Should have just given us the dog bone, not being stingy and cheap. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.